Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable sunlight mode on Poco phone. Friends, you want to enable your Poco phone sunlight mode setting. So friends, how to enable sunlight mode on Poco mobile today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to enable sunlight mode. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Poco phone setting. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see phone display setting. Friends, will click on my phone display setting. After on display setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, you can see dark mode setting, reading mode setting, brightness level setting. So friends, where is reading mode setting? Oh sorry guys, sunlight mode setting. So friends, you can see brightness level. Friends, tap here. So friends, first you will have to off your automatic brightness. Then friends, you can find your sunlight mode here. So friends, when you will on your automatic brightness friends, you cannot on, means guys, you cannot enable your sunlight mode. So guys, we will off it. Sunlight mode here friends, you want to enable, you can enable. Friends, you can see adjust brightness to strong ambient light to prevent the screen from going to dark. So friends, you can use your sunlight mode after enable it. So like that we can enable sunlight mode on Poco phone device. Friends, you don't want to enable, you want to disable. Friends, one more method and option you can disable. Friends, click on search option sunlight. Friends, we will search as sunlight. Friends, with sunlight mode, friends, tap here direct. Friends, you can disable. And friends, you can see automatic brightness. So guys, when you will enable automatic brightness, friends, your brightness will decrease and increase automatic. So friends, I will disable both of setting. So like that we can disable and enable sunlight mode setting on Poco phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.